At the top here. I see the fucking tornado.
And we're up here.
It almost looks like one's trying to drop in front of it. See it?
Yeah, we can't run. Hey, there's a tornado.
Get your asses in there now. It's to the north of Mountain View.
It's dropping right now. It's dropping right now. Oh my God, honey, we're gonna move. It's over by Smith Flooring right now.
No, it's over by fucking Roberts. I don't see any debris coming up off the ground.
I do. Don't you see that fucking debris?
Well, I see dirt. Oh, yep, there it goes. Gosh.
Honey, we gotta get down to the house.
No, we don't. It's making fucking different.
It's making several tornadoes.
Holy shit. It's not going in a straight line.
Oh my God, honey.
Oh, fuck.
Are you in the basement?
Oh shit, there went some more debris.
We're seeing debris, Sabrina.
I mean, it's big too.
Are you in there?
No, we're outside. Dad's got us outside by Bobby's.
Because if it fucking comes, we're going to Bobby's house. That's over there by the radio towers outside on White Highway.
We're gonna be okay, sissy.
I've never seen one come this close. That's big. And there is all kinds of debris up there now. I'd say that's at least an F1, F0, maybe even a F2.
Oh God.
Look at that damn thing. There's another one coming down. It keeps, something on the backside keeps twisting. We're going to get ready and start feeling a lot of fucking wind.
Oh, we really need to leave.
Baby, that house right there is our safest fucking bet.
Oh God, our house.
I know. Oh, man. It is slow moving. I mean, there is debris everywhere.
John? Are you recording it?
Yep.
Hello?
Hey, we're seeing a tornado right now from our house.
Oh, really?
Yes, right here at the field. It's right there at the radio towers. I mean, it's...
Just outside of White Highway where them two radio towers are.
Outside of White Highway? Oh, yeah? The
Yeah.
one in Mountain View?
Yep.
We're watching it.
Actually, from here, I can actually see a tail.
Can
I
you?
see it tapered down.
I tell you what, it is, the bottom part's not that big, but the top part, dude, that's got to be at least 2 or 3 miles wide on the top.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I've tried to call Gene.
His phone's out of service right now.
They shut his phone off because we paid it on the 3rd, and it's got 5 weeks in this month, so they shut it off.
Yeah.
That tornado's going south.
Well, it's good. Lord, look at that damn debris.
We're watching the debris.
Yeah, it's actually going south.
Well, from...
It's either,
But yeah, can you let Mom and Dad know? Because they have no way of knowing anything.
well, your dad left before my generator quit working, so I had to go and borrow one, and he left to Mountain View just before I did.
Oh my God.
Let me see if his car's down there.
Oh my God, look at that.
Yeah, his car's down there.
Okay.
I'll probably have to go down there and let him know.
Okay, yeah, if you will, because we're going to get ready and head to Bobby's because
Yeah,
it's
look
looking
at that.
bad.
Look up there in the sky.
It-
All the
it's-
way up to the clouds.
Well, and from what I'm seeing, I don't know if you're looking at a different one from me. I'm looking at one north of Mountain View, looks like.
Yeah, it's just north of Mountain View.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, did it take that one tower down? I only see one tower.
Yeah, I only see one, too. Oh, we're not going to have service soon. John?
Okay.
Okay.
No, the
All right.
ones in town.
You guys go ahead
Ours-
and take cover.
Yeah.
Because, I'm thinking that the ones that look like it's going to be bad is north of me, but I can actually see this one
Well-
to the west.
There's only one tower now.
Yep,
Oh, really?
yep.
Yeah. So I'm going to let you go. Sabrina's calling me.
Okay. All right. Well, it looks like the tail went going back up now.
Yeah, we're getting ready to go over to Bobby's because it's coming straight for us.
You can see it right here. Okay, thank you. I will. Bye-bye. Oops, shit, Molly.
Molly,
Molly. No, Molly.
oh shit. Molly! That one looks like it's getting ready to come straight for us, guys. See it? See it?
And it's pulling trees down.
It's going toward fucking Mountain View right
Yes.
now. Son of a fucking bitch.
Oh,
we just,
there it is.
yeah.
There's a tornado, Jerry.
That sucker was over there. It took down
oh my
one
God,
of the
Heidi,
towers
there it
over
is.
there.
I know, Mom.
Guys, we're going to have to get ready and go out because that's only about 2 miles from us now. Oh, son of a bitch.
It's growing too.
You guys got a safe place to go?
Yeah.
I advise us to all to
Let's
get ready and go.
Go.
Go. Jeannie!
Ooh, there's another one. Look,
Son of a bitch.
you see the second one? You see the second one?
Yeah. Guys, get in there now. Get in there. Go. Gosh damn it. I'm not doing this because I want to. I'm doing this because I'm waiting for my wife to hurry up and get up here. Because we're going to have to go to my neighbor's because he's the only one that's got a fucking storm shelter. And it's coming straight for our house. Come on now! Come on! I don't better hope that there's a fucking way in his house.
I think if a dog come in, I'll have to
She'll run out. She'll run. This car's still here.
Okay, we're heading to Bobby's.
Hurry up, run. Run. Now. Hurry up.